loved one, TJ here. Today I want us to practice saying our K words. I am not a speech pathologist. However, I have experience with working with someone who is healing and recovering from aphasia, and I have conversed and caucused with multiple speech therapists, and they all say that enunciating and practicing the K, the G, and the hard C sounds are really great for strengthening your vocal cords as well as strengthening your swallowing mechanism. So, if you are someone who is working through aphasia and maybe you need to strengthen your swallowing, this is the way to go. All right. Now, first off, I'm going to start with our mental rehabilitation book. Okay, we're going to start with the K's, and we're just working with the K's today. And we're just going to practice these words. Now, feel free to rewind this video and practice as much as possible, as much as you want. And also feel free to slow the video down. Okay, so let's get started. K. K. K is for kale. 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 Kitten. 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 And I know that might be a challenging one with the 2 syllables, depending on where you are in your recovery. But I like to help you crawl and stand up if I can. So I throw a little challenge in there, here and there, okay? Kite. 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 Okay, here's another challenging one. You ready? Kidney. 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 Very good. Now here's a bonus one. Get ready. This is a fun one. It's a bonus. Cake. 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 Practice this one as often as you can. Remember to have fun and be very, very patient and gentle with yourself. And if you don't feel like practicing today, or if you get a little tired along the way, that's okay. Your brain needs time to rest and process and integrate the information. Just come back when you are ready. Whatever you do, be sure to come back. I'll be here. Until the next video, I'm wishing you lots of love and healing blessings.